off the right side of the road. Right on 31. Right, 31. Start EMS.
Start squad, signal 5. Perfectly heard off the red. Rolled over about 6 times.
On May 29, 2025, around 6 p.m., the Ohio State Highway Patrol clocked a speeding vehicle on Interstate 75 near Franklin Township. The driver, later identified as Jennifer Wilson, was traveling at 82 miles per hour in a 65 miles per hour zone in her GMC Envoy SUV.
Reasonable stop was 82.
GR, email.
2367.
1756, okay.
1756, we're coming up now. We're in the right lane, moderate traffic, 70 miles an hour.
Gonna catch up momentarily. If you can clear reinforcement light mail, 4511 23.
Southbound 30 over 6, 85 miles an hour. Right lane, moderate traffic.
They're 9 units. Available to spike 6.
Once 1756 gets up here, we'll try to block them in. They keep getting stuck in traffic and they're not trying to recklessly get out of it, they're just slowing down. Probably 79 or 86 or 19.
19.2, can you identify the driver? Start. Take that radio.
Hello. White female driver, black hair, 40s.
Passing 60 for 18 or 82. Light traffic right now. We're trying to box her in. Stand by. Yeah, she sees us. She's only going around us. I'll try to slow her down. We're coming up to the rest area.
believe so. She made eye contact with us. I think it's going to be 79. She doesn't seem to care. She's not really trying to run away. She's just out of it. Southbound 26 over 8.
Clearly will be down the county line. Traffic.
Off the right side of the road. Right on 31. Right, 31. Start EMS.
Dark squad, signal 5. Purposely driven off the red. Rolled over about 6 times.
Yep, yeah.
Hey, fire hydrant, or
No seatbelt.
I smell something. Hey! She's alive. Come out! Get out here! Climb
Grab
out!
gloves.
Hey, get the mechanic's gloves.
What?
Get mechanic's gloves.
Yeah.
You stay with her. Watch her.
Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
I can 22 call also.
Don't move. Don't move. Don't move. EMS coming. Why'd you do that? Where are you going? Where?
You got alcohol right there in your left front. You got alcohol. What's your name?
She's bleeding from the head.
I'll get caught.
I can't tell if it's minor laceration or more.
That's from the crash. Pull over.
Are you, can you hear me? Did you cut your head? Okay, were you wearing your seatbelt? Should be just a cut. She advised she was wearing a seatbelt. She said she's trying to run from people chasing her. People have a GPS on her, I guess.
Even I see you, nurse. Okay.
We're not moving her quite yet. She was wearing a seatbelt though, so
She was.
that's what she said.
She's
Good.
Stay still, sweetheart. Can you tell me your name?
I think she sideswiped it earlier. It was very minor paint transfer.
Stay still.
I think that was from the first time she cut off. I felt something. I wasn't 100% sure.
I got gloves if you need some.
Yeah, your head's
I don't know if there's any knives in here or not either.
Hey, what?
Knives?
trying to keep
I got
still
some
and
sackcloth.
breathe, right?
Well, then it was completely intentional, but it's 31.
Everybody else is okay, all right?
Also so start the next available. Signal 5.
Okay, right now, I think all the blood is just from this laceration. They bleed really bad.
Okay.
She can tell me where she's at and what's happening and everything. So,
Did you get, do you have gauze?
I don't have any gauze in my pipe. They got rid of them.
There's one container with alcohol in here as well. Good.
You want some gloves? Plastic gloves?
just in case.
Here.
I don't know if I like much touches.
We got
Are you feeling
sterile dressing. I assume this some sort of wrap. EMS is on the way.
I think she's okay right now.
They have other stuff too.
What?
They have other stuff too right behind you.
Yeah.
Okay.
We do have
You say
another
your
phone
ER?
scene with them.
I see you.
I see you. I see you.
I'm
nurse.
on my way to work. You guys gonna give me a work note?
Yeah.
Sure.
All right, sweetheart, I'm just gonna put